Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with second chapter of SST, and the chapter name is The Northern Mountain. As we know, students, in previous class we already discussed about the physical division of India, and the Northern Mountain of India is also in physical division. So let us discuss about the Northern Mountain. Here in the north and northeastern part of our country, there are very high and long mountain ranges. These are the Himalayan mountain ranges. So, what is Himalayan mountain ranges? Please note down this. The north and northeastern part of our country is called Himalayan mountain ranges. So, the Himalayas. India is bounded by a long range of mountains called the Himalayas along its north and northeast border. So Himalayas is covered to northeast borders. Students, Himalayas means the above of snow. These mountains are shaped like an arc. Arc means a part of a curve and it's a part of the circumference of a circle. The Himalayas stretch for about 2,500 kilometers across Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Arunachal Pradesh in the east. Look at this picture and you have seen that Jammu and Kashmir is located in the north zone and Arunachal Pradesh is located in the east zone. The Purbanchal or the eastern mountain. Here the mountain ranges are not very high and are called the Purbanchal or the eastern mountains. The Himalayas are the highest mountain range. So, which is the highest mountain range? So, answer is the Himalayas are the highest mountain range. So, note down this point. The Purbanchal ranges are in the northeast. Please remember, the Purbanchal ranges are in the northeast. They are not very high. They are covered with thick forest. The northeast range includes the Garo, Khasi, Naga, Miju hills. So, the Purbanchal range is covered with the Garo, Khasi, Naga, Miju hills. Students, there are three parallel ranges in the Himalayan mountain. Look at this picture. The number 1 is Great Himalaya is also called Himadri. The second part is the Lesser Himalaya or the Middle Himalaya is also called Himachal. Number third part is the Shivalik. So Shivalik is also called the Outer Himalayas. Students, in the Himalayas there have many parallel ranges. Among them, Mount Everest is the highest peak. The world highest peak, Mount Everest, is 8,848 meter high and is situated in Nepal. So, which is the highest peak in the world? So, answer is Mount Everest. Please note down this point. And how many meter is high? So, it's 8,848 meter is high. So, it's situated in Nepal. Second peak in the world is Mount K2 or Henry Godwin Austen. It's located in the Karakoram mountain ranges and it's lie to the northwest of the Himalayas. So, second peak is called the Mount K2 and also named as Henry Godwin Austen and is situated in the northwest of the Himalayas. After so many unsuccessful attempts, Tenzing Norgay of Nepal and The Edmund Hillary of New Zealand reached the top of Mount Everest in 1953. And Basendri Pal is the first Indian woman to climb it in 1984. Please remember and note down this. So, Tenzing Norgay of Nepal and Edmund Hillary of New Zealand reached the top of Mount Everest in 1953. And Basendri Pal is the first Indian woman to climb it in 1984. I already said that the Himalayan mountain consists of three parallel ranges. They are the Greater Himalayas, the Lesser Himalayas and the Outer Himalayas. Now we discuss about briefly. So first one is the Greater Himalayas. It's also called Himadri. So look at this picture. This is the Greater Himalayas. So the Greater Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges situated in the northern part of the Himalayan range. They remain covered with snow throughout the year. It covers the Indus, Ganga, the Yamuna, and Brahmaputra rivers. The second ranges is the Lesser Himalayas, is also called Himachal. Look at this picture. This is the Lesser Himalayas. So the Lesser Himalayas are also called Middle Himalayas. These are situated to the south of Himadri. So it's situated is the south of Himadri. In Lesser Himalayas, mountains are not very high. These are many low areas called valleys. The Lesser Himalayas also have some holy places like first picture is Badrinath place, second picture is Kedarnath place, third picture is Amarnath place, and there have many places in this Lesser Himalayas part. The third ranges is the Outer Himalayas or Shivalik. The Outer Himalayas or Shivalik are located in the extreme south of Lesser Himalayas. They have low and slopy hills covered with thick and valuable forests which are full of animals. Students, I hope you all are understood this part. The other part we will discuss in the later class. Now I have given some homework. So you all are write the questions in your copy and try to write the answers and show me in the evening session. Till then, thank you students. Have a great day ahead.